You know those guys over at Mischief, the guys doing the what would you call it, like modern prank type art installation things?
Yeah, I think it's mainly for marketing.
Yeah. They're venture backed. We had the Jesus shoes on the channel. I believe that's the last time we featured something from them. Oh no, we also had the mystery box unboxing.
Sure, yeah.
That we did. The latest is Spot's Rampage, which is Spot the robot from Boston Dynamics with a paintball gun, kind of in an art gallery setting. Boston Dynamics was very upset about this, Willie Do. They were not happy about this.
Right.
You know, they hate this like military violent type of thing. In fact, apparently they offered 2 more Spot robots just for them not to do this.
Oh.
And they still did it anyway. Now, apparently, you could control the robot remotely and walk around the art gallery shooting at different items with your paintball gun.
Yeah, I think people take turns controlling the robot.
You take turns controlling the robot. And, yeah, it was just a huge issue because Boston Dynamics has really been trying to shed the comparison, the kind of dystopian future AI robot thing, which
is completely reverses it in like one video.
Yeah, well, I mean, look at it.
Very unfortunate.
Yeah, look at it, man. All the engineering and development, but for their part, the Mischief crowd, they're saying, look, you're always doing these dancing videos. You're always having such a good time. Can we at least talk about the fact that this could be used like this? Like, that's their angle. I'm not saying that I support the agenda. I'm just saying that that's the statement they're trying to make.
Right.
And when it comes to art, Willie Do, what are the rules, man? I mean, as long as you're not hurting anybody directly,
sure,
they're entitled. They're entitled to their expression.
Only lobsters get hurt.
The lobster was getting lit up.
Yeah.
They're entitled to their expression, and it's a valid point, I suppose. However, apparently there's some sort of kill switch on Boston Dynamics end because it has to connect to their server.
Oh, right.
And they've had internal negotiations. Like, they're discussing whether they should shut it down or not because they feel it's doing some negative things for the brand and the product. And, well, they're trying to figure out if this fits in when you do the terms of service. The violent thing, is this violence? It's certainly closer than the robot on its own, but it is a bit of a gray area. We'll see what transpires.